Hey everyone, Mike here in the BFH garage. We're going to run Saran wrap and Eagle Rock. It's a combination trail. Eagle Rock's directly behind us where the two trails meet. We need to drive up the road about a quarter of a mile and then we're going to hit the entrance to Saran wrap up there. It's a beautiful day. Had a lot of fog initially. We had rain last night, so I'm expecting the trail to be pretty muddy. As you can see behind me here, we got a pretty good puddle there. There's just water everywhere, which will make this trail fun. Let's get after it. So an optional part of this trail is called, I'm gonna call it squeeze play here. So we're coming up this way, you gotta go up here, make a loop. You're gonna come back down through this. And it used to be really, really tight. Looks like things are still that way. Looks like that rock on the left's getting ready to let loose. Let's see what we got. Oh. Stay, driver, if you can, a little bit, keep coming up. And then. You're gonna come up on this rock. Slow, slow. About a foot, let me have you back up. About a foot, and I'm gonna have you back up. Right there, hold on, whoa, 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 shit. So if you, stay right where you're at, stay where you're at, stay where you're at. Woo. If you turn your wheel straight, you're gonna come down. Or you could drop off of it, which probably, I don't know if it's gonna bump you over or not. The only other option is try to back up a little bit and stay on the rock. Boy, these mosquitoes are out in force right now. So your call, you continue to go, you're gonna drop. But I don't know what that looks like. If you wanna back up, I'd start backing up before you turn straight. Yeah, you're good. Yep. So keep backing up and turn straight if you can as you go. Okay, good, good, good. Right there, back up straight. Still. Right there. Slow. You might be able to back up just a little bit more. Now turn passenger. Not so much. Rub rail again, coming in. Go ahead, come on. Easy, you got about a ½ inch, quarter inch maybe. Hang on, stay there. Maybe a quarter of an inch. Your rub rail is right parallel with the rock, so you keep coming this way, you turn onto the rock here, you'll be all right. Yep. Yep. Start turning passenger. Your rub rail's barely catching right now, but it's about ready to drop off of that. Okay, hold on, let me get the front side again. Perfect line, keep coming on that rock just like you're doing. Stay passenger. Yes. Got another foot. Another foot. Right, a little more. Right, a little more. Right there, back up. Straight back. Yeah, turn driver just like you're doing. Yep. Come down a little more. There you go. Turn passenger. There you go. You're good. passenger. Hard passenger. Passenger. Hard passenger. Passenger. Passenger, your rear passenger will climb and your front driver will lower. Good. Go slow. Passenger. Yep, gotcha. Oh, it's back to I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go. Fine. Are you? I just don't want to knock my freaking head again. Okay. Good hard passenger. Yeah. Hard passenger, drive it out. What do you want? Oh, shit ski. Do you remember? Woo! That wasn't what I remember. Driver still just a little bit. There you go. Do you need to cut a little bit more of your corner? Yeah. Obviously you need to stay to the left side as you're driving on this one, stay up on the rock, because if you don't, this tree loves to eat mirrors and A-pillars. Barely missed that one. Completely changed. Our entire rock wall cliff is gone. That entire wall's gone. The entire rock wall that used to be there is gone. So right out front there used to be a large ledge that you'd have to climb up, try to get over either left, right, and buggies could do middle. And now it's just been reduced to just mush. Front diff. Smoke gas. Rear diff. Yep. Stay straight. Go passenger just a little bit. Up. Good. Passenger, passenger, passenger. Come up, passenger. Yep. Hold on. There you go. Try that. You have it. You are so close. I'd keep working it. There it is. What the hell would you do without a good spotter? Driver. Yep, good. Straighten out that way now. Fight it. There you go. Stay on that line. Stay on that line. Keep coming up. Turn right. Yep. Keep going. Yep. You may have to bump it. Right there. Try bumping that. keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. That thing's just rear dip. All right, yeah, keep going, keep going. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Front diff. Okay, back up. Just a little bit and turn passenger. Yep, go this way, turn passenger. God, the mosquitoes are eating me. Wraps up Saran wrap in Eagle Rock. Haven't run this trail in a couple years. We got lost. I don't know how. I think it's because I'm getting older. My mind's starting to melt a little bit. So the mosquitoes out here today.